If you have a CRM and are using it to mass email your contacts, then listen up because a major change has just come our way. In efforts to protect their users, Gmail and Yahoo now have requirements that need to be in place for mass email marketers. In the most simplest layman's terms, in your CRM, on the back end of your advanced settings somewhere, there are going to be 2 codes that you're going to copy, go to your host provider, whether that's Bluehost, Google Domains, GoDaddy, paste those codes over into your DNS settings so that you are verifying these 2 are attached and your domain is now verified to start sending emails. Additionally, what's required is if you are sending out mass emails using a mass email provider, you cannot do that anymore with a Gmail, a Yahoo, a iCloud account. You have to have a verified domain to now officially send out emails through these mass email marketing campaigns.